Evening. How are y'all doing? It is Tuesday, October 7th. About 6:20 p.m. as of recording this video. I'm not drinking and driving, I promise. Just sitting behind the wheel in my happy place. Behind the wheel is my happy place. October 7th. It's kind of a bum day for me. Today is my ex-wife's birthday. Her and her twin sister. Happy birthday, ladies. Always used to be a very special day to me. Would always look forward to her birthday. I still light a candle for her before bed. You would think you would ordinarily do something like that for somebody that has passed on. She's still very much with us. But she and I might as well be in different worlds now. So yeah, I still light a candle for her and wish her happy birthday. She would absolutely abhor me doing it in person. I was gonna wish her happy birthday just now, but Joey got in her car and she got a phone call that she took, so I wasn't going to say it. I got Joey in and kissed his forehead and told him to have fun at Scouts tonight and that I would talk to him later tonight. Closed up her car door and she promptly left. Got this store downtown St. Augustine called Silver Feather. Used to always be where I would go to get her a birthday present, Christmas present, anniversary, just because I remember early in our relationship I took her there and she fell in love with it. She said, if you're ever at a loss for what to get me something from there. Doesn't matter what it is, I'll love it. A lot of Native American stuff, but also a lot of different kinds of jewelry, Native American jewelry and other stuff too. So over the years I probably spent over $7,000 at that place in jewelry for her. And 2021, right before she dropped the divorce bomb on me, I had gone there and got Got her a pretty little necklace and earrings. She never used to wear bracelets. I asked her, "Do you like bracelets?" No, I never really wear them. She wears them now. I don't know, maybe her new man is enough of her people to accept bracelets from him. I have no idea. I never used to get her bracelets because she said she didn't like them. There's a cute little pearl shop downtown too, and I would get her pearls from there occasionally. But I got her this necklace and earrings back in 21, and she left, and I asked her if she wanted them, and she said no. And I've held on to them. Kept them in my desk drawer. Take them out and look at them every now and again. Thought they'd look pretty on her. Trying to figure out this last couple of weeks what I could get her. You know, money's tight. I don't get her anything from me, but gotta get her something from the kiddo, you know. Damn sure not gonna leave it to Matt, her boyfriend, or Sean, whatever the hell his name is. Not gonna leave it to him to get something for her from Joey. Maybe he did, I don't know. I was looking at this necklace and earrings the other day, and you know, it gets me down to see them. I've tried to give them away before, but get stopped up at the last minute and just didn't have the heart to do it. But I thought, you know, maybe Joey could give them to her and she would accept them and like them, and that would be one more thread that I managed to cut. You know how sometimes bucks, male deer bucks during rut they'll fight, and they'll tie up with their antlers, and they get tied up in such a way that they can't get loose of each other, and they're so stressed out, and they drain their energy so much that sometimes one of them dies, and the other one's left alive. And he's stuck on this carcass he can't get free of, and you know, he's slowly wasting away too, because he can't eat, you know, can't nothing, because his head's all tied up on this other dead deer. And that's how I feel sometimes, you know, regarding her. Like, it's dead, our relationship. Her side of it is, you know, she's dead and gone from me, and as far as our relationship. But it's like I'm still stuck with this carcass that I'm tied up in, and can't get out of. And when I do manage to let go of something, you know, I feel like I've broken one more antler, you know, one more thread, and I'm a little bit closer to being free of this carcass. And I know that I'm never going to be completely and totally free, because I love that woman with all my heart and soul. And that's the kind of love that no matter, what happens, you don't fall out of it. I don't understand people say they fell out of love with somebody. If you fell out of love with that person, then in my opinion, most likely you never loved them to begin with. Because when you really love somebody, it's so much more and so much bigger than yourself. It's deep inside you, in your core, in your soul, and it's not something that you can let go of, even if you want to. Not completely. I people have told me before that